Dumpy with the pocket dump.
I saw your post.
Yeah.
Oh, you saw it, right?
And I can't just.
The fifth pocket.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this pocket was my sheep.
You have a whole Kaiser display. You have a whole Kaiser display, man. This guy.
You put a Sheepdog XL in your face.
Why do you even have a backpack? What is in there? Nothing?
There's like 12 knives in there.
Are you a Chinese knife wholesaler or some retailer? What's going on, dude?
Might as well be, right?
I carry 3 knives and I'm already like, okay, that's
There's
enough.
the
Yes.
fixed blade up there.
Wow.
Another one down there. I think that's all. Nope.
5, 6, 7,
Sorry.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You don't have a belt knife?
That's the. That was the.
No, I mean like the whole
Oh.
whole sword belt thingy.
No.
This guy, dude. More, more.
More.
More down there.
Jesus.
Yeah.
What
I
the?
carried.